So, full time here at Aberystwyth for Connah 2. I'm here with Nev Powell. Nev, a fantastic performance to end off the first part of the season. How are you feeling?
Definitely, Matt. That's our biggest win of the season. Without a shadow of a doubt, what the players had to endure there for 90 minutes. We had everything, and obviously first half we were exceptional, going forward, scored the goals, and we always knew Connah would change it. Andy would do his best to get back into the game, and they went for the second half, and I can't sing highly enough praises for that back forward and the goalkeeper. The amount of high balls we had to withstand and defend the second half, that was absolutely superb, and not many teams would be able to deal with that barrage of balls into the box, and as you say, it's a fantastic 3 points for us, fully deserved.
As you said, there's brilliant 3 points, and Connah well deserving of their high place in the table. We started really well and 4 excellent goals as well.
We did, we said we wanted to start high tempo. It was important we kept the ball on the floor, and we took the lead deservedly so, and obviously they got back into it with a poor goal on our side, but we never let it trouble us, and the lads kept driving forward. Joe Phillips scored his hat-trick, and he's come back in for the home games here where he always excites the fans, and fully deserved his hat-trick today. We really needed to get the ball out to him and Ryan Wade and John Owen. We caused them all sorts of problems first half, and knowing Andy Morrison how he is, he's going to change at half time. He won't be happy with their performance first half, and he'd want a reaction off him second half. So we knew what we were going to get. They threw the Andy Owens on and played the 2 up top, 4 up top, and must have put 150 to 200 balls in the box, and we had to defend them. And as you say, it left them a bit open at the back there, and we managed to get a 4th goal, which was really important for us, and a good goal as well, which more or less killed the game. But you couldn't, you couldn't feel comfortable in that game at any time because of they're second in the league, and they're second in the league for a reason, because they're a professional side, and it was a long 90 minutes, but thoroughly deserved, and we must kick on. We've just beat a top 6, second in the league there. And we've got to take that into the second phase now and go. The last 2 performances we've put in have been outstanding, and as you say, when the second phase starts in February, we continue working as hard as we have been doing tonight and last week. The players we've got going forward, it'll stand us in good stead.
As you said, there are 10 big games to come now in the second half of the split, and we've got absolutely nothing to fear after those 2 last performances.
Well, definitely, I've always said we're in a false position with the players we've got here. I come in late towards the start of the season, and we had to get the new players integrated with the players already here, and we didn't have a great start, but we turned it round, and we had a good November, and end of October, and if we would have won those 2 games against Connah, then we could be talking different, and maybe that could have been for the top 6 push tonight. But it is what it is. This league's tough. There's 12 teams, and every team in the league's strong. There's no gimmies in this league, and you ask the top 6 sides, all they're aiming for is at the start of the season is to hit 30 points and guarantee top 6, nothing else. And obviously TNS are above that, but the rest of the 11 sides, they all start the season with the same goal: get to 30 points as quick as possible. And as you say, we're still learning with the players we've got, but there's no reason why we can't go into that bottom 6 and do well and compete in every game. And if we do that, we won't be far off a playoff place.
And finally, 879 here tonight, best crowd of the season. Must be great to see for the boys to play in front of crowds.
Fantastic atmosphere. That's why I'm here. It's a good club, and we want to do well for them. And the fans are brilliant, and it was a beautiful night for the game, and they must have been well entertained because that game had everything. And thankfully, we got the 3 points.
Nev, many congratulations. Thanks for your time.
Cheers, Matt.